Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the upper freezer drawer kit on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a kit to fix your upper freezer drawer on your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The kit comes with the drawer, the center divider, 2 support glides, and the corner cover. On some model refrigerators, the support glides are sold separately. You can check out our link in the description below on how to replace those. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. If the support glides currently installed in your freezer are different than the support glides that come with the kit, you will need to install the new support glides to ensure that the drawer functions properly. If the support glides look the same and are not damaged, you may not need to replace them. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the support glide rails in place. If you need to purchase a new upper freezer drawer kit, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag of your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. First, align the slide mechanism on the center divider to the open end of the retaining rail in the drawer. Then slide the divider onto the rail until it rests in the center of the drawer. Place the spacer in the groove so that it aligns with the back of the divider, and reinstall the screw. If your model of refrigerator does not have an ice maker in the freezer compartment, install the cover onto the left rear of the drawer by aligning it and snapping it in place. Align the notches on the drawer slide with the tabs of the freezer compartment housing, then reinstall the bolts. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.